Alright, so it's been a couple of hours since I last talked to y'all, and I've gotten some energy back, so that means I'm getting up. I'm going to start putting the load of laundry in the dryer, whatever's in the dryer and whatever is in my chair in the living room. I'm going to fold, probably, I don't know, I'll probably just fold it wherever it is, but that's what we're gonna do.
Hey, listen up, I've tried to tell you this 100 times. Not getting better by lying there pretending to cry. You on repeat, you can see, cause you have closed your eyes. You say you listen, but you're missing what it's all about. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now.
Also, I need to get some trash taken out and also wipe down this trash can, so I'm going to do that right now.
Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. I've tried to help you, but you keep reading between the lines. There's nothing there for you to complicate, we're not aligned. You say you listen, but guessing that's just another sign. Not growing up, you're growing old, your life keep passing by. You never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, Now if you break it, I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can use my mind. Don't try to tell me how it's done, you haven't done your time. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now.
So I was in here earlier cleaning the bathroom, and I noticed that I have this, like, okay, so this happens anytime you use like plastic. It kind of, I need to get an air purifier, I think, to help, or a dehumidifier. That's what it is. I need to get a dehumidifier to help, you know, keep this from happening. So I'm going to get all this trash in the bag, clean that off, but I also need to clean this right here. So that's what I'm going to be doing now.
Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
That did not work as good as I thought it would. I'm just gonna try this. I don't know if this would work though.
Rise up now.
I just have to like repaint that part. So I'm going to, there's a little bit of trash in here because I'm a horrible person. So I'm gonna have to get this trash out of here. It's not toilet paper, it's just when I was cleaning the bathroom, I was cleaning out stuff, and instead of putting a bag in the trash can, I just dumped it in the trash can. Why I do that? Pure laziness. For me anyways. I just didn't feel like it, I guess. But because I was lazy, now I have to do extra work. So maybe next time I'll know better.
You never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah. Rise up now. If you never fall, you don't change at all. Cry out now. Have you given up? I will never stop, yeah.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted.
Alright, I got all that straightened out now. I am going to fold these clothes. Also, I have still been doing my like routine chart. I'll just write down that morning whatever I need to get done, and then at the end of the day I will put a sticker beside it and mark it off. It just seems like some added cuteness. It makes me feel good about what I did that day. So if you like stickers, I got most of mine at the Dollar Tree. So if you like stickers, instead of putting like a little check mark, you can make it cute and fun and put a sticker instead. Alrighty, Roo. Let's go ahead and get this done. Also, it drove me nuts in the first video. When I made this bed, I totally half-ayed it because that pillow is not in line at all. So I'm gonna fix that right now. So for any of y'all that are like, that is killing me, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, let's go ahead and do this laundry.
This can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign.
So here's my little chart. I got my stickers on there. There was some stuff I didn't do in the kitchen. I did wipe down the fridge handles. I did not clean the microwave. I wiped down the top of the oven earlier today, but not the bottom. Like, there's some things I kind of half-ayed. And I didn't do the cabinets. So tomorrow I'm also going to be posting some videos. So tomorrow we'll do more of like a deep clean on the kitchen and mop the floor and all that stuff. I also have a ton of clothes in my office that I need to put away, because if you're anything like me, I fold the clothes and I put some of them away and then I just put some in a basket for later, and then that later date like never comes. So anyways, also If y'all did not know, on my Etsy shop, I just added some clarity candles, which are good for just clearing energy or like having a calming atmosphere. And I also made wax melts, but they almost just look like a soap bar, so you cut off the amount you want. But here is one of them. I always make enough to where I have some of my own as well. So here's the wax melt right here. It's lavender, jasmine, soy wax, and it also has frankincense and what else? Amber oil. So it's a very clean smell. It's really good. If you are sensitive to strong smells, you will not even notice, but it does help just have a calming atmosphere. So I wanted to show y'all that. Also, you're never obligated to buy any. I just like showing y'all the different types of stuff I make, and if you just happen to want it, you can go get it, but you're never obligated to buy anything I ever show y'all. That goes with sponsorships, affiliate links, stuff I make myself. It's just more so me sharing you something I find cool, and just as simple as that. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I will see y'all back here tomorrow for some more videos. Yeah, I hope you have a great day. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.